they've been doing it for months and months and months, just scoping out what can be done in this building. But I think we're making good use of the space and the technology that's available. Yeah, I think it'd be
I think it's interesting is we're actually trying to still make it feel huge. Even though it's a 5,000 seat venue, we want people to feel like they're at a giant arena rock show. So I think there's some tricks with perspective.